Okay, so you've logged into the course a little early, and maybe you would like to get a jump on reviewing and getting ready for Calc 1. Okay, so good news. First things first, we have some prerequisite content in this course, and what I'll say is you see the prerequisite material. There are 4 assignments that Professor Henderson and I just created this semester, brand new, and they're just a few problems to help you kind of go over all of the most important ideas that we need you to have in calculus. Not necessarily all day one, but we need them. So you can absolutely start working on these to practice them. You'll also notice there's some review sections that go over concepts, right? So we have like inverse functions and trig functions, whatever. So anyway, you've got this. Now, let me just give, for those of you who've maybe not used more before, let me just give you guys a quick example of what it looks like. So we're going to click into an assignment. What you're going to notice here is they want us to find all the solutions for the equation. Okay, so I'm going to say the solution is 2 or 22. Darn it, I got it wrong. Now notice I could either get a similar question or I could try again. I'm like, with the same numbers. All right, 35. Darn it, that wasn't right either. Okay, I'm pretty sure the answer is just 0. Darn it, nope. So now notice I've used 3 attempts. I have no more attempts on this particular problem. The answer key shows up so I could see what the correct answers should have been. And then I can hit get a similar question. Now it refreshes, new problem, new number randomization, but I'm back to working on this new version of it. You'll also notice you can see that up right here in the right hand corner. This means I have 3 tries remaining on this randomization and I have 97 refreshes left. Hopefully you never need to use all 98 of them. All right, then you'll also notice there's question help. We can hit a little video where there's a video on going over a problem similar to this one. So just a little refresh, right? So you got a little homework assignment that you can work on, you can jump on. Also, okay, the other thing I'm going to say, now this is a little secret, a little hidden. Up here in the objective information, when you click on here, you'll see right here, there is a prerequisite objectives and support PDF. So if I go ahead and open that, you'll see these are going to match those assignments. These are covering the big ideas for those assignments. But the real reason I'm down here is to show you there's some videos you can watch. These are lessons that go over these concepts. So if you feel like you're like, I just need a lesson on it, this is a place to go. Okay. The other thing I forgot to show you, let me go back to where we just were. Let me go back to the prerequisite material. There is a video hiding right underneath all of them. It's called Trig Help for Calculus. Now, this was requested by students and it has become like one of the favorite things. You always hear great things about it. Professor Henderson made it. It's a 30-minute video that goes over like all of the trig that we need you to like, or the most of the trig, 99% of the trig that we need you to have for calculus. I hate to say all because then there's always something. You're like, you didn't say that. Anyway, so you can go through here and you can watch this video. Now, I will say, don't click this because it takes you out to YouTube and then you have to watch the commercials. Just watch it inside more by hitting the little plus button. It opens it up in this window, and then if you want it full screen, you just catch that bottom right hand little box, and now you can watch it full screen. No commercials or any kind of interruptions or whatnot. Okay, so this would be great. I would highly recommend watch this if you know, because a common theme is people say my trig's a little rusty or my trig, there's some things I didn't quite get. This is a great video for helping with that. Okay, all right. We can't wait to see you on the first day of class, and hope this helps.